Hello. In this video, we're going to do a Calc 3 problem. Here, we're going to apply a series convergence test to determine if our given function is going to converge or diverge. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the problem. So the thing is we are given is this summation formula right here. The first thing I notice is I have a negative exponent. So thus we know we need to apply the negative exponent by pushing it to its denominator, and we can rewrite the problem as such. Now, when we write our problem as 1 over n to the power of 1/4, we can clearly see which series test we're going to apply. And this test will be the p-series test. And why is that? Is because we know what the p-series test involves. The p-series test is taking this convergence, and we're going to have 1 over n to the power, let's make it a little nicer, 1 over n to the power of p right here, right? And then this is the typical rules of n equals 1 to infinity, the summation of that function. Well, what we know is that if p is greater than 1, then our summation converges. And then if p is less than or equal to 1, then we diverge. Okay, so we apply. We clearly see p in this situation is 1/4. 1/4 is less than 1, thus we diverge, and that's our p-series test for this summation. If you have any other questions or want any other videos, please mention the comments or send me a video to my email. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.